Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I will share to you on how you can download and install the Google Chrome browser, the fast secure web browser into your Windows. So and how we can do that, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and we need to open the default browser of our Windows, which is Microsoft Edge. Click on that under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, simply type Chrome download. Hit enter. Then we need to scroll down and we can find this first option from www.google.com, the official website. Click on Google Chrome, the fast, secure web browser built to be yours. And here you have this button, Download Chrome. This is for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So this could be applicable for both you Windows 10 and 11. Now click on Download Chrome. Now the setup file will be downloaded or the installer file. So let's just wait in a while. Now once done, click on it once and then you have to close the Edge browser. Now this will initialize. And let's just wait for this to install the Chrome browser into our Windows. Now Google Chrome is installed, so let's click on sign in. And let's sign in with our email. So let me quickly type my email. So in your case, you have to simply enter your email. Click on next. Now let me type my password. So there's still a passkey that I need to use. But in your case, once you have signed in and then log in with your account, then you can simply use Google Chrome. Now, I'm not just going to show you how my passkey will be done for this verification process. Now, let me close this. And there it is. We have just logged in into our account. Now, let me scroll down and click on got it. Now maximize this and here it is. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.